Yo, right now, we're actually in Hussain's house.
Actually, what are we here for? Really, do you remember?
Hey, but on the road, can I buy this?
No, you can't have the TV, bro. So.
Make yourself at home.
I'm Hussain. Welcome to Back to School. On today's episode, we've got producer Rude Kid. Going head to head up against Mancunian MC Blizzard.
Hope you drop dead. If I punch you in the face, who are you gonna call? Ofsted?
The rules are simple. I say a question, they say their name. Whoever says their name first gets to answer the question. 8 times 8.
Blizzard. 64.
No, but I'm rubbish.
So you right in
I'm rubbish at maths, man.
Is it?
Capital of Nigeria.
I have no idea.
Blizzard. Lagos.
What's Lisa's surname?
Blizzard.
Ooh.
CONTOSTAVLOS.
What fictional character had an encounter with the 3 bears?
Rude Kid. Goldilocks.
Well done. Alright now, fill in them missing words in the children's nursery rhyme. Rounder, rounder.
Rude Kid. Oh, bro, it's very hard to say, but his name's easier to say.
How is it easier?
It's 2 syllables, they're both 2 syllables.
Yo,
Blizzard, Rude Kid.
Blizzard, Rude Kid.
Say Rudes then, not say Rudes. I'll say Blizz. I'll say Blizz, you say Rudes.
Ching Chang Walla for that question. Go on.
Blizz, bing bang.
Ching Chang Walla for that.
What's that mean? Ching Chang Walla?
Oh,
see, alright, cool.
Go on.
I'll play it.
Yes.
Go on.
Oh yeah, you.
What was it?
Rounder, rounder.
Garden.
Like a
Teddy bear.
Yeah, you got it. Spell rhythm.
Blizzard.
Oh, man. Come on.
But you're just slow,
I'm
man.
so slow, bro.
RHYTHM. Longest word in the English dictionary without any vowels. Shortest word in the dictionary without any vowels. RHYTHM.
Damn, he's gonna have extra marks.
I didn't know that.
I need extra credit, man. I'm a bad kid, innit?
What's your favourite colour?
Roots.
Blizzard.
I got it first.
Go on.
Yeah, you did.
Black.
What's your favourite film?
Roots.
Blizzard. Welcome. Mine, American Beauty.
No, but I said my name first though.
Fuck you.
Yeah, that's
my
time. Language. Face the wall, bro. Fuck you, you know.
That's bare beats. That's bare beats. Anyway, my favourite film, Terminator 2.
Alright, next question. Favourite actor?
Roots.
He's on it, bro. Listen.
Hey, I'm not losing this round.
He's not losing. Alright, what's your... Do you remember the question?
Yeah, what's my favourite character?
Favourite actor?
Actor, yeah.
Another question.
My one is... What's his name? Wait, don't tell me. Denzel Washington.
Next question. Do you fancy him?
Roots.
Oh, he's done well. He's done well.
No.
Hey, Blizzard, don't fall off the... What do you put in the toaster?
Roots. Bread.
Okay.
What do cows drink?
Roots.
Blizzard. God, do this.
Water.
Yeah, actually quite on it.
He's on it.
He's on it.
I think I won this anyway.
Oh, no.
I might let Blizzard take this. I might let him just answer this question.
Just give him the question now, I'm cool.
If you was invisible for one day, what would you do?
Go on, Blizzard, answer it.
Kick Rude Kid out of this room.
Oh, that's alright. We done well.
Yeah.
We done well. He messed up my bonnet. It's all good. So yeah, I'm with Rude Kid and Blizzard.
He won.
I won.
So Rude Kid's at the top of the leadership board right now, but we'll see if anyone's able to... Hey, allow it, brother, you done? Are you done? Are you actually done? You man are done, you know? No talk, man.
I won, yeah?
Make yourself at home.